case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2001 case heard by the Texas Courts of Appeals, Lifshutz v. Lifshutz revolved around a divorcing couple, Kymberly Benson Lifshutz and James C. Lifshutz, and their dispute over the distribution of assets. The case proposed a rarely accepted concept that an individual can be held responsible for a company's debts or treat corporate assets as community property in a divorce. James Lifshutz managed several corporations and was accused of breaching his fiduciary duty by using corporate funds for personal use and not disclosing financial information to Kymberly. Although the trial court found James guilty of this breach, they did not award damages or impose a constructive trust. In response, Kymberly appealed, claiming that due to the trial court's failure to identify or assess all assets properly, she could not dispute the division. The appellate court upheld the decision to dissolve the Lifshutz's marriage and establish custody and maintenance for their children. However, the court reversed the breach of fiduciary duty and division of property findings, prompting a reconsideration of property division and attorney fees in the interest of justice. The trial court had previously found all of James's interests in the corporations to be his separate property. Consequently, a new trial on breach of fiduciary duty and community property division, including attorney fees, was ordered.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.